Welcome to the second part of my boat repair. I'm still removing the rotten parts. This simple tool is named Creator, sometimes its destruction and creation the same. As you see, the plywood is rotten to the first layer, which was soaked by epoxy when the boat was built. So the epoxy made it waterproof till these days. These parts will be replaced later by sandwich from plywood and epoxy foam with closed cell. It will make these parts sturdy again, and foam will fill all the gaps and imperfections. At the end of the day, I cleaned up the head to be nice and shiny like in previous days. At home I started to create the transom seats from plywood, but then I changed my idea to make them from XPS foam. The XPS will be later as a mold for fiberglass. So building process, I started creating the mock-up of transom board to exact fit to the place. And the mock-up of the transom board was finished. As you see, the previous seats are damaged. And a few moments later, there are the first parts from XPS. So I started with the middle part. On the left is new and on the right is the oldest one. Then I made the left and right seat. There's again the middle part. And there are the seats, left and right. And this is the finished. So see you next time.